So welcome to the unboxing experience of this brand new iPhone 15 Pro Max in natural titanium color. So there are two things here we're upgrading. First is the iPhone model from iPhone 14 to iPhone 15, and then we are doing the Pro to the Pro Max upgrade as well. So it's a much bigger phone, and you'll see as soon as you take it out of the box. So let's go ahead and unbox this natural titanium color iPhone 15 Pro Max. Okay, so should be pretty straightforward, at least in the beginning part. Take off the strips. Take off the top cover, nothing there. And here it is in the natural titanium color with the titanium frame as well. And I'm not gonna lie, it does feel good in the hand. So this time we get USB-C to USB-C cable in the box, and it's a nice braided cable. I hope you can see that clearly. It's a nice braided cable. Been a while since I saw one of those. And then you have your normal paperwork and sticker and SIM card ejector tool. All right. Oh, we do have a SIM ejector tool in this one because this is not in the US. This is actually made for Africa and Asia market, this particular iPhone model. So we do have a physical SIM slot, and that's why we have a SIM ejector tool. So let's put all that to the side. And here's our iPhone. It does feel the edges are a bit more rounded compared to this one. This one is a little extra boxy in the, and it has very sharp corners, as you can see. Compared to this one, the edges are a bit more rounded, but it does feel good in the hand. Okay, and of course at the top, that's what it looks like. I'm just gonna slowly show you all the angles. And one change we have here is the action button instead of the mute switch. Okay, so in the iPhone 14 we had the mute switch. Now we have this action button, which you can actually map to do different things. So stay tuned, because I'll be making many videos on this phone showing you how to navigate and how to use this iPhone 15. Okay, so we have a SIM tray here for this particular model. Side button. The cameras look bigger on the iPhone 15. Let's have a look. Yeah, maybe just a little bigger. Actually, they are bigger. And of course, the USB Type-C port at the bottom. So that's the unboxing experience. That's what comes in the box of your iPhone 15 Pro Max. And that's what the natural titanium color looks like. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.